Just showing you me fat bike, Coyote fat bike, what I've upgraded a little bit. Done a couple of things, as you know, on the other posts that I put on, gears, handlebars and that, sprayed it white. Other thing that I was asked about the wheels, two bits you've got to remember. Where the seam is, which is there as you can see, don't drill there, and that you can drill this side and you can drill the other side, but leave the seam and leave where the inner tube one, leave that one in as well, and that where the valve comes out, because you must not drill there. I've done these a little while ago, don't seem to have any issues with them, so I'm just going to leave it now and see how she goes once I go out on it. Thanks.